Hi guys, my name is Andreas and today I'd like to show you magicplan 8. magicplan 8 is our biggest update yet. Since 2011, users create millions of 2D floor plans with magicplan. Still, it has always been our dream to map the full room. Now we are ready for that next dimension. With magicplan 8, we are starting by automatically recognizing doors and windows. Let me show you. To set the floor shape and size, you mark each corner of the room. You can aim through objects. After that, you set the ceiling height by tilting your device upwards. Now you have the full 3D space of your room, and you can start adding windows and doors. magicplan will automatically recognize, locate, and size them for you. Fine-tune the result by selecting the correct type. magicplan creates the 2D floor plan including all windows and doors. Double tap a wall to view and edit the result. Build up a complete floor plan by assembling all scanned rooms like a puzzle. And you can even view the result in 3D. magicplan 8 lets you unleash the full potential of your mobile and will make your life a whole lot easier. You'll have your home in your pocket. Plan and realize your next project, be it a move, a new kitchen, or a full remodel.
Yeah.